Good morning, another glorious day in Sri Lanka. Really super, the sun's really out nicely today. Let's just have a little walk down to the beach. Got some blue skies today. It might rain a bit later, but right now it's wonderful. The worst thing in the world. The worst.
This is how people, when they choose, they like it. Yeah, this.
Yeah, I can smell it from here. So it's disgusting. Okay, so today we're off to a turtle hatchery, place where they look after lots of turtles. And if you're in Sri Lanka, please do check out online before you go. There's lots of these places. Some are absolutely fantastic and do loads of good and help the turtles. There's a few that are not so great. So yeah, just check it out online. And yeah, take a look at this.
Yesterday night.
Don't drop him, man. They were born yesterday.
Hello.
Give him back now. That's it. Look at that. They were born yesterday. Give him a kiss. Wow. Look at the size of these guys.
Yes, the madam said the bone like that disabled. The shell is the protein balloons inside. That's not can underwater. They eat too much plastic bag.
Ah, see, they eat too much plastic. We were just talking about that, weren't we?
Yeah, see, this is not can underwater. See,
It's not good down.
now like a protein balloons inside. See.
Yeah.
Because big things can float.
Because he's been eating the bags.
Too much plastic eating ocean.
Why?
The ocean favorite food jellyfish. The humans like a broken too much garbage. And whales. Like a tiger shark. And
Look at these guys, look.
now look.
Can I touch his head?
Yeah, try.
I'm touching his head.
Are you scared?
He looks good.
Don't drop, eh?
Don't drop him, baby. Wow.
He's
Tickling.
Wow, he's amazing. It's like a bird.
No bite coming.
It's not bite you.
Okay.
You're gonna hold him.
Don't scare.
don't.
Okay.
It's nice.
That's nice. And don't drop him. Hold him nicely.
I got him.
You got him?
It's fluffy.
Flapping.
Green sea turtle.
Wow, green sea
Can I kiss
turtle.
this one?
You want to
4
kiss this
months.
one?
4 months.
Did you kiss him?
Yeah.
You spent the whole day kissing turtles.
Go ahead, Mama.
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, go, Mama.
Give him a kiss. Oi, Daniel. Okay. So look, this is the afternoon. You saw this morning where it was absolutely glorious. This is about 3 in the afternoon now. Absolutely pouring down. It won't last long, maybe an hour or so, then it will stop, and then we might have a bit more sunshine. But yeah, that's the weather at the moment down south in Sri Lanka. Let's go and eat some food. Potato curry, dal, fish curry, chicken curry, chilies, amazing fish and rice.